Hey there, Digital Dan the Car Show Man back with you. Our crew just got back from Eastbound Getdown in Daytona, and based on the photos and videos I've seen, they had a great time. This was our third year at Eastbound, and it's one of the not-to-be-missed shows on our calendar. I wanted to show you a feature video we shot of our new friend Randy's 1994 Ford Ranger Wild Custom. We can't wait to see this project completed. Before we get to the video, we want to thank our media sponsor for the weekend, Hot Sauce Boss. Check them out at hotsauceboss.com. And now, on with the video.
How you doing? My name is Randy, Freaks of Nature, South Florida. This is my 94 Ford Ranger project. Recently picked up and purchased part of the work done from another builder named Jonah out of Port St. Lucie. 3/4 inch acrylic glass floors, acrylic transmission tunnel steering wheel, S10 front frame, tubular custom control arms built, right hand drive, 2-pump hydraulic setup in it, fully shaved, doors welded shut, top chopped, full tilt hood in the front exit exhaust, suicide tailgate in the rear.
What's the drivetrain? Did you say? I don't know.
302 out of a Mustang C4 Trans. It's got a 373 rear end that we recently just did a disc brake conversion from Mustang on the rear of it. S10 front brake setup on it. 7-inch master Woolwood brake setup in the rear for it. Current project, we added 4 seats to it. Looking to, in the next couple months, candy red paint job over silver flake on, underneath of it. Polish out the rest of the acrylic. We're going to change up the wheels back to a 22-inch steel, solid steel wheel, painted the candy red with a white wall on it. And just keep adding a lot more to it. It's technically, the bed's there, even though it's got a bed and cab seam, it's technically a unibody. Body can never be removed from the frame.
Right.
Even if with the front itself. That full one-piece front, side exit exhaust. A lot of mods. You can walk around all day and find something different.
Yeah, I've been around it 3 or 4 times, and every time I walk around it, I see something new. That's what caught my eye. It's awesome.
It'll definitely progress more. And we're looking forward to finishing it.
Yep.
It'll be out and about more shows this year and more shows hopefully next.
Awesome. All right, cool. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thanks.